What's the meaning of contest? Contest. Contest.
Contest. Contest. A contest is a competition in which individuals or teams strive to win a prize or recognition by demonstrating their skills, abilities, or knowledge. The result of a contest can be both positive and negative, as some participants may be victorious while others may experience disappointment. However, a well-designed contest can also encourage personal growth and development, as well as foster a sense of community among competitors. Ultimately, the outcome of a contest depends on the effort and dedication put forth by each participant, as well as a bit of luck and circumstance.